Hey guys, what's up? We got another box break here from my boy Ruben. He's going to try one of these 2012 Topps Gypsy Queens. And I don't know why it zoomed in so far. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there. 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen. Ruben. He's an Angels fan, or all of the Southern California teams. So hopefully we can pull him a close, maybe. That would be very nice. Whoopsie. Sorry, the charger is on the camera because it's almost dead. And it's not wanting to stay up here. There we go. Oh, well, shit. I'm gonna have to do some rigging here to get this to stay. It's not wanting to stay up like it's supposed to do. Oh my dear God. Sorry about that, buddy. I think I got it now. Here we go. Get this thing out. Empty. I'm going to put these cards back in this little mini box here when we get done looking at them. Okay. We got Clayton Kershaw. These are just the regular ones. Freddie Freeman, Jacoby Ellsbury, Yadier Molina, Eric Hosmer, Jeremy Hellickson, Evan Longoria, and the Moonshots, Mike Stanton, Josh Hamilton, Glove Stories, and Sliding Stars, Major Morgan. Alright. I think you can get autographs in those little boxes too. Ooh, Jeremy Hellickson, jersey, Gypsy Queen, relic. Not a bad way to start off. Moonshots, Willie McCovey. Mini, Ron Howard. And base. Just making sure. I think I'm gonna skip to the middle because that's where all the good stuff is. We got one of these frame cards, Yogi Berra, number to 599. Mini, Paul Cornico. It is the Gypsy back and base. We got Sliding Stars, D. Gordon. And mini black border, Brandon Morrow. It's a black border. I think all these packs have minis in it. Pretty sure. Got Frank Robinson, Moonshots. And Lonnie Chisenhall, mini. And it has a little dink right there. I don't know if you can see it. there. Got Glove Stories. Robinson no, that's who is that? Trayvon Robinson. I thought it was gonna be Jackie Robinson. Then I saw it was Seattle. Moonshots. Jim Thome, and many Marco Scrutaroo. Okay, that's Vegas. Got Mini, Robinson Cano, Straight Cut, Parallel, and Sliding Stars, Elvis Andrus. You got Frank Thomas, Moonshots, and Mini of Elvis Andrus. Matt Moore, rookie. And Mini of Dustin Ackley. Got Glove Stories, Josh Hamilton. And Moonshots, Babe Ruth. And a mini of Chris Young. Still looking for 3 hits, buddy. Got a mini of Jose Valverde. Base. Ooh, got an autograph. Brandon Belt on card. It's a pretty good one. Brandon Belt. Jeremy Hellickson and Brandon Belt. It's pretty good so far. Freddie Freeman, Gypsy Queen, mini. Got a California guy. Just it's the wrong part of California, I guess. It's NorCal. We got Sliding Stars, Jose Reyes, and mini of Ivan Nova. Sliding Stars, Jimmy Rollins, and black border, BJ Upton. The second auto is Alcides Escobar, I think. Yep, Alcides Escobar. On card auto. Nice. And Adrian Beltre, Gypsy Queen. Escobar is one of the Royals. It's the Royals' future shortstop, or the shortstop of the future. Devin Mesoraco, rookie. That's a pretty good player. There's the Pujols. Too bad it's not autographed. Derek Jeter, Sliding Stars. Michael Bourne, mini. This is a long break. I spent 10 minutes trying to get the freaking camera freaking focused. Sorry about that too. Sliding Stars, Curtis Granderson. And mini of Matt Joyce, straight cut. Let's go stat. Got another framed Al Kaline, Gypsy Queens, framed, number to 599. Moonshots, Nelson Cruz. And mini of Josh Beckett. Still need one more hit, really. Brad Peacock, rookie. Mini of Michael Morris, Gypsy Queen. You got, looks like Billy Butler, jersey. Alright, Reggie Jackson, Moonshots. And Max Scherzer, mini. Got Glove Stories, Andy Chavez. Moonshots, Ralph Connor, I think. Yep, Ralph Connor. And mini Alex Rodriguez. 3 packs left, buddy. And you got all the hits. 4. Yeah. Unless they throw you a bonus, bud. You got another framed Gary Carter. Framed. It's nice. $5.99. Sliding Stars, Jacoby Ellsbury. And mini Michael Pineda. Straight cut. Griffey Jr. Got Glove Stories, Christian. And Moonshots, Prince Fielder. Last pack, though. Matt Dominicus, rookie. You got Sliding Stars, Ryan Braun. Oops, wrong pile. And base. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it, man. I'll get this stuff out to you tomorrow, actually. Yeah. It's a nice Brandon build. If you're looking to trade that, man, I could probably do something with that, or I could find someone that would be very interested in that. It's a pretty good autograph, too. And it's on card. But yeah, man, I appreciate it, and I'll get this stuff out to you tomorrow, man. If you need anything else, just hit me up. Thanks a lot. See ya.